Hey there, folks! Today we're diving into something that'll get every gadget lover pumped up. The showdown between the Huawei Watch D2 and the Apple Watch Series 10. Whether you're all about staying on top of your fitness goals or simply looking for a stylish, smart wearable, this comparison will help you figure out which one suits you best. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's break down these two powerhouse smartwatches. Let's start with the design. The Huawei Watch D2 comes with a classy aluminum alloy case, available in black and gold finishes. It's paired with either a floral elastomer strap for an active look or a composite leather strap for something more formal. Lightweight and sleek, it feels like an all-day companion on your wrist. The Apple Watch Series 10, on the other hand, flaunts a larger screen with thinner bezels, giving it a modern and premium feel. It also offers a jet black glossy aluminum finish, along with other finishes like rose gold and titanium, which is both lighter and more eco-friendly. While both watches are stylish, the Series 10 leans more towards futuristic minimalism, while the D2 keeps things elegant and traditional. Huawei's Watch D2 boasts a 1.82-inch AMOLED display with vivid colors and a sharp resolution of 480 by 408 pixels. The screen is bright enough for outdoor use and large enough to navigate without squinting. The Apple Watch Series 10 steps up with a 1.9-inch LTPO OLED display, offering a resolution of 484 by 396 pixels. It features always-on technology, delivering bright and vibrant visuals without compromising battery life. The improved brightness and clarity make it perfect for viewing even under direct sunlight. While both watches have high-quality screens, the Series 10 edges ahead with its slightly larger size and superior OLED technology, enhancing the overall user experience. When it comes to health tracking, the Huawei Watch D2 is packed with some impressive tools. It features 24-hour blood pressure monitoring, real-time ECG analysis, SpO2 monitoring, and even skin temperature measurement. It's a powerhouse for those who want a smartwatch focused heavily on health. Meanwhile, the Apple Watch Series 10 introduces sleep apnea detection, depth and water temperature sensors, and improved tracking for activities like kayaking and rowing. Its ECG app is FDA approved, which is a big plus for those concerned about accuracy in heart monitoring. The Series 10 also integrates seamlessly with Apple's health ecosystem, which might be a deciding factor for Apple users. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate both watches, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Huawei Watch D2 offers over 80 exercise modes and includes automatic detection for 6 common activities. It's also equipped with precise GNSS positioning, which is perfect for runners and cyclists. The Apple Watch Series 10, however, takes fitness tracking a step further with its new Tides app for ocean activities and advanced metrics for water sports. If you're into more adventurous activities like snorkeling or kayaking, the Series 10 might be a better fit. Battery life is a crucial factor. The Huawei Watch D2 offers up to 6 days of typical use and 1 day with intensive blood pressure monitoring. This makes it an excellent choice for those who hate frequent charging. Apple's Series 10 sticks to the familiar 18-hour battery life, but supports faster charging, reaching 80% in just 30 minutes. While it's not the longest-lasting smartwatch, the quick charge feature helps mitigate that drawback. For smart features, the Apple Watch Series 10 shines with its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. It supports Siri, Apple Pay, and even lets you make calls directly from your wrist. The watchOS 10 interface is smooth and user-friendly, offering plenty of customization options. The Huawei Watch D2 isn't far behind. It features Bluetooth calling, NFC for payments, and compatibility with both Android and iOS. However, if you're already part of the Apple ecosystem, the Series 10's integration is hard to beat. Both watches are built to last, but there's a slight difference in their durability ratings. The Huawei Watch D2 is IP68 rated, making it resistant to dust and water for daily use. The Apple Watch Series 10 is water-resistant up to 50 meters and includes additional durability features for more rugged conditions. For adventurers, the Series 10 has the upper hand. So, which one should you pick? It all boils down to your priorities. If health tracking is your main focus, the Huawei Watch D2 offers advanced tools like 24-hour blood pressure monitoring and skin temperature sensors. It's also the better choice if you're looking for a longer battery life and more budget-friendly options. On the other hand, if you're part of the Apple ecosystem and love the idea of a larger, brighter display with seamless integration, the Apple Watch Series 10 is a no-brainer. Its advanced fitness tracking for water sports and quick charging also make it a strong contender. At the end of the day, both smartwatches bring something unique to the table. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.